Today is a great day for Shenandoah University athletics as well as for the city of Winchester. Great partnership that has led to the renovation of 4 fields here at Jim Barnett Park, and 2 of those fields, Bridgeforth and Rotary, are now going to be used by our baseball and softball programs.
This is a Grand Slam for Shenandoah University, the city of Winchester, Winchester Public Schools, Winchester Baseball, and the Winchester Royals. Everybody wins.
It's truly been a collaborative project for all of the individuals involved, and we're also proud to actually celebrate the official opening today.
This is a showpiece for everybody involved, and I can't thank enough the Board of Trustees of the university, President Fitzsimmons, Mr. Moore, everybody involved for making a dream come true.
Today is just a huge deal for both of our programs. This project has been a long time coming, so to be able to be out here and to celebrate the completion of both fields, it's just been an amazing experience for not only the student athletes, the coaches, but also the university and the community.
This couldn't be possible without a group effort involved, and we're very grateful and excited to have a new season.
Today's a huge day for Shenandoah baseball. This program has been looking for this field for a long time, and now to finally see it come true, it's been a huge deal. Having this type of field to come out to and play is really a dream come true.